How to add or remove, reduce motion to accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on Reduce Motion. So tap on that to add or remove it from the shortcut menu. Now once it is selected, you can triple click on the side button. And in here, you see Reduce Motion will be available for you to turn it on. Or you can quickly switch it off from the shortcut menu. Now to remove it from the shortcut menu, just simply deselect it and that will be removed from your accessibility shortcut menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.